Understanding empty promises in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, empty promises. This phrase is widely used in both everyday conversations and formal communications. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how you can use it in your speech. Empty promises refer to commitments or assurances given by someone that are not backed by actual intent or action. These promises are like empty vessels. They sound big but hold no substance. When someone makes an empty promise, they may have no real plan or ability to fulfill it. It's like promising to give someone the moon. It sounds grand but is practically impossible. Let's look at some examples to clarify this concept. 1. Political context. Politicians often make grand promises during their campaigns, like eradicating poverty or providing free education to all, which are sometimes seen as empty promises due to their impracticality. 2. Personal relationships. If a friend continually promises to meet up but always cancels at the last minute, these can be considered empty promises. 3. Business and advertising. Companies might promise revolutionary results from their products, but if the products don't deliver, these too are empty promises. Now, let's learn how to use this phrase in a sentence. The government's assurance turned out to be an empty promise, as there were no real changes implemented. I'm tired of your empty promises about spending more time with the family. It's important to avoid making empty promises. Always strive to be genuine in your commitments. If you are unsure about fulfilling a promise, it's better to be honest upfront rather than making a promise you can't keep. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, empty promises, correctly in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying true intentions and meanings. See you in our next video, and keep practicing.